Hello students, good morning all of you. So dear students, let's continue the chapter, the cell. Okay, so dear students, what we have learned what is cell. So it is a basic unit of life. Okay, that means all the living organisms are made up of cell. Okay, then we have discussed the parts of the cell. Okay, so we have three parts: cell membrane, that is called as outer, that is the outer covering of the cell. Okay, then nucleus, and nucleus is called as the control center of cell, that control all the activities and mechanism of cell. Okay, now cytoplasm. Okay, so we have learned about cytoplasm, that cytoplasm is the ground substance, that is the matrix of cell and fluid of cell. Okay, so this is, if we draw a structure, so this is the outer covering of cell, there is a nucleus, and in between nucleus and cell membrane there is a fluid of cell, that is cytoplasm. Okay, so cytoplasm has raw materials to functioning of cells, and all these cellular activities and chemical reactions occur in cytoplasm. Okay, so this cytoplasm contains many cell organelles. Okay, so dear students, today we are going to talk about cell organelles. Okay, what are cell organelles? So cell organelles is just similar to organs. Okay, so we have just like we have so many organs. Okay, we have lungs, stomach, liver, heart. So all the organs perform different functions. Just like a tiny cell have many organs, and we can say the parts and constituents of cell. But cell, cell is tiny and we can't see the cell, so we can't use the parts of cell as this big word organs. Okay, so organelle is similar to organs, and organelle word is for used for tiny things and tiny types of organisms. Okay, and organ is a big word and organelle is tiny word. Okay, so you can compare the organelles of cell just to the organs of our body. The organs of our body perform different functions, so the cell have different cell organelles that perform different functions. Okay, so just make a list what are the cell organelles present in the cell cytoplasm. Okay, so we have mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus. Okay, plastids, centrioles, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes. Okay, so these all the cell organelles. Okay, but ribosomes. Okay, so dear students, but there is a difference. Plants and animals are different by appearance. We can say by physical appearance, morphology, we can say we are different from plants, but their cells are also different. Okay, almost all the parts are same, but there is some difference. What are the difference? That some organelles that are present in the cytoplasm and that are present in the plant cell and not in animal cell. Okay, so there is a plastid. Okay, plastid and plastids are only present in plant cell. Okay, and when we will discuss about different organelles, so we will talk about what organelles are present in plant and in animal cell. So let's start the first. So first is mitochondria. Just look at the picture. This is the typical cell. Okay, but this is a plant, this is the animal cell. Okay, so here is the animal cell. So you can see there is a just half potato cut like structure. This is mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondria, the function of mitochondria is to release energy. Okay, so when we take food, this food goes in our cells. Okay, हमारी cells में जा रहा होता है. Then this food burned with the help of oxygen. Okay, and when this food burned and release energy, this process occurs in mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondria function is to release energy. Okay, clear? These are the mitochondria. This picture we can see only in the electron microscope. Okay, we can't see with our naked eye. We can't see this structure in compound or light microscope. We can see this structure, organelles of the cell, in electron microscope. Okay, now next one is Golgi apparatus. Okay, so Golgi apparatus is small tubular, and we can see ki yes, tubular like structures, and it is the function ki transport, storage and secretion of substances from the cell. Okay, that means ki one cell to another cell, the Golgi apparatus transfer or secrete the materials. Okay, that means if cell release and make some chemicals. Okay, so Golgi complexes pack this material and transfer to the and secrete this material from the cell. Okay, and sometimes Golgi apparatus store the materials also. Okay, now next is lysosomes. So lysosomes, just like bag, small bag like structures. Okay, its function is to digest the its function is to digest the unwanted and foreign materials within the cell. Okay, if the cell see that there is a something different chemicals or different elements just enter in the cell, then this lysosomes pack this material and digest with the enzymes present in them. Okay, so lysosomes के अंदर जो enzymes present होते हैं वो उस chemical को, उस material को disintegrate कर देते हैं. Okay, but sometimes just we can say कि lysosomes act like dustbin. Okay, so there is a capability. Sometimes the lysosomes digest the whole cell. Okay, because it has digestive enzymes. Okay, now next is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so you can see there is a tubular structure just emerge from the nucleus. So many tubular structures, and this is a network of tubules. So this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum function is to transport the substances within the cell. सेल के अंदर जो सबस्टेंसेस की ज़रूरत होती है वो उसको बनाते हैं और उनको ट्रांसफ़र भी करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द फंक्शन टू ट्रांसपोर्ट इंट्रासेलुलर सबस्टेंसेस. ओके, तो ये सेल के अंदर चीज़ों को ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज we have discussed mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, that all are present in plant cell also. Okay, now next is plastids. So you can see there is no plastid in animal cell. Okay, so we can see the plant cell. We have to see the plant cell for plastids. So just look at this figure. This is the plant cell. You can see there's a difference between plant and animal cell in structure. Okay, we will talk about later. Okay, now this is the color bodies. Its bodies, small bodies. So plastids are color bodies that give color to the plants. Then we can see there's a different colors of leaves and flowers in plants. Okay, you see plants or all leaves are green in color. Sometimes you can see there is a yellow leaf, there is a shaded leaves, and flowers are different colors. The fruits change color. How does coloration occur in plants? Due to the plastids present in them. But animal cells do not have plastids. Okay, एनिमल है एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में प्लास्टिड्स नहीं होते हैं. सो प्लास्टिड्स आर कलर्ड बॉडीज. ओके, ये प्लांट्स को कलर देते हैं, बट दे आल्सो परफॉर्म्स द सेकेंड फंक्शन, दैट इज द प्लास्टिड्स आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स: क्लोरोप्लास्ट, chromoplast and leucoplast. Do not give color. Okay, just like this chloroplast. So chloroplast is a type of plastids. So chloroplast have chlorophyll pigment. Okay, so pigment is just like compare with dye. So pigment is something that give color. So there is a chlorophyll, that is a pigment present in chloroplast, give green color to plant. Okay, so plastids present in leaves cell of the plant. Okay, so plant के लीफ में जितनी cells होती हैं उन सब में आपका chloroplast present होता है, because chloroplast have chlorophyll and chlorophyll give color to the plants. But there is a second function, that is this chloroplast perform and carry out photosynthesis in plants. Okay, so एक तो कलर प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, दूसरा फोटोसिंथेसिस में भी हेल्प कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ तो वी कैन से द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज ग्रीन इन कलर. नाउ सेकेंड इज क्रोमोप्लास्ट. यू कैन सी फ्लावर और डिफरेंट कलर्स, vegetables have different colors, some ki orange color, some yellow, some green color. So how this coloration occur? Due to the chromoplast present in them. Okay, so chromoplast we can say have a different types of pigments that give different color to the plants. Okay, now leucoplast. Leucoplast don't have any pigments. Okay, because chloroplast have green color pigments, chromoplast have different color pigments, but leucoplast do not have any type of pigments. So that's why this leucoplast do not have any type of pigments. So this leucoplast is colorless. But its second function is to storage of food. So leucoplast present in कि roots of the plant. Okay, so roots में plant की leucoplast present होता है जहाँ पे वो food को स्टोर करने का काम कर रहे होते हैं. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज राइबोसोम्स. ओके, सो राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट बोथ इन प्लांट एंड एनिमल सेल. सो राइबोसोम्स आर वेरी स्मॉल, यानी कि इफ यू कंपेयर ऑल द ऑर्गेनल्स विद राइबोसोम्स आर वेरी स्मॉल बॉडीज. ओके, सो स्मॉल बीड्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दाने के जैसे होते हैं और सेल के साइटोप्लाज्म में स्कैटर्ड होते हैं. But sometimes they're also present on the endoplasmic reticulum. ठीक है, endoplasmic reticulum के ऊपर भी present होते हैं गोल गोल से. What is the function of ribosomes? So ribosomes perform and help in the protein synthesis. Okay, ribosomes. Okay, so ribosomes के ऊपर protein synthesis होता है और protein synthesis में help करते हैं. Okay, next centrioles. So centrioles that means कि प्रेजेंट आपके जस्ट न्यूक्लियस जहाँ पे होता है उसके ऊपर या उसके आसपास प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, इसलिए उनको centrioles बोलते हैं. बट centrioles प्रेजेंट ओनली इन एनिमल सेल्स, डू नॉट प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल्स. सो प्लांट सेल में प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस सेंट्रियोल? बहुत छोटे छोटे से स्पॉट्स की तरह होते हैं. ठीक है, इट्स फंक्शन एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल डिवीजन. ठीक है, जब एक सेल से दो सेल बन रही होती हैं उस टाइम क्या होते हैं, वो सेल को डिवाइड करने में, यानी एक सेल है उससे दो सेल बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं बाय फॉर्मिंग स्पिंडल. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वैक्यूल्स. सो वैक्यूल्स जो होते हैं वो ओनली प्लांट सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक प्लास्टिक्स. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आर वैक्यूल्स? सो वैक्यूल्स आर बिग स्पेसेस वी कैन से. ठीक है, सो यू कैन सी देयर इज एनिमल सेल एंड प्लांट सेल. यू कैन से कि इन प्लांट्स बिग स्पेसेस. ठीक है, बड़े बड़े से स्पेस होते हैं. तो काम होता है कि वो चीज़ों को स्टोर करते हैं प्लांट्स में, जो वो फूड बनाते हैं या फिर जो उनको एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, वो सारी चीज़ें वैक्यूल्स के अंदर रहती हैं. इनिशियली जब प्लांट सेल जो है आपकी छोटी रहती हैं तो उनके अंदर एक दो हम देखते हैं, पर जैसे जैसे सेल बड़ी हो जाती है उसमें जो आपके वैक्यूल्स हैं वो भी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, बट इन एनिमल सेल वी कांट से देयर इज अ, कभी कभी आपकी अगर नहीं भी होती. ठीक है, आइदर विदाउट एनिमल सेल्स, आइदर विदाउट वैक्यूल्स और मे बी प्रेजेंट बट वेरी स्मॉल. ठीक है, तो नहीं भी हो सकती हैं और अगर होंगे भी तो बहुत ही छोटी छोटी सी होंगी. प्लांट सेल्स की तरह बड़ी बड़ी नहीं होंगी. डिस्कस्ड ऑल द सेल ऑर्गेनल्स विद देयर फंक्शन. ओके, थैंक यू.